This video is going to show you how to make sure that you have correctly connected up to the projector. So the first thing you need to make sure that you have done is your PowerPoint needs to be open in the full version. So not as a Windows tab off of your OneDrive, in the full version. Once you have that opened, you're going to do Windows, which is this key right here, and then the letter K. So you're going to do those about the same time. And on your screen, you're going to see something like this. You need to find the one that says A305. You're going to click that. What will happen for you, so where mine just says connecting, because I've already done this, you will see a 4-digit code. And that little thing down here will still be there, and you will put that code in. Make sure that you click enter rather than just hit the enter button, because sometimes hitting the enter button will mess it all up. The screen should be already set to automatically extend. So when you first connect to the projector, you will probably just see like whatever your background is. And then on your actual laptop, you will see your PowerPoint. However, once you go to slideshow from beginning, then you will be able to see both screens. So in my case, my second monitor is what is up there. So what you will see, this should be what is on your laptop, and this is what your audience will see. So again, that's what's on your laptop, and this is what your audience will see.